Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You all know that this top has been trending on TikTok for some days, for some weeks now. So I decided to make it for you guys so that you can actually watch and learn how to make it step-by-step process on how you can actually achieve this. So this is not the size of this model is not the size of this dress. So that's why it's not lapping at the back. So guys, this is it. I attached this flower to it, and then this is our beautiful top. You can see the sweetheart neckline is giving, and the fabric that we use is a mesh fabric. And then you guys, you're going to learn how you're going to achieve this beautiful dress. You can see how neat it is. So if this is what you want to learn, please make sure you watch till the end of this video. And you guys, make sure you subscribe, share, like, comment. The only way for you to support me is for you to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get to work. So guys, for you to achieve this, you need to take a measurement on your body from this side of your shoulder to your chest line. So you're going to measure from this other side of your shoulder to your chest line. So for me, I'm going to be using 40, and that is because the fabric I'm going to be using is very small. So I'm going to be using 40. You can use 50, you can use 47, you can use more than mine. And then from the chest line, I'm going to mark the length of our strap from the chest line to our shoulder line. So guys, I have my fabric folded like this in a triangular form, in a flare form like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark 40 inches, and then I'm just going to go ahead and mark it all around. Then I will go ahead and cut it out. You guys, if you want your drape to drape very well, just as mine, you need to cut it in a triangular form like this. It's going to give you that full drape. Are you guys following? So the next thing we're going to do now, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I'm going to go ahead and hem the side, the both side. I will leave the flare part, the part that is flare like that, because we're going to be using it to drape on our tube. So to cut our tube, I have these little pieces of fabric. So the length is about 16. I'm going to go ahead and off about 5 inches, and then from that 5 inch, I'm going to go ahead and mark from the off. I'm going to mark from the shoulder to our under bust. Then I will add 1 inch to it, which is going to serve as our sewing allowance. Are you guys following? And then I'm going to just go ahead and divide my waist. I'm going to use the smallest part of my body, my waist measurement, divided by 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. I'm using the waist measurement divided by 2 because I want it to be firm on the client's body. So I'm using it divided by 2. So what I'm going to do, this dress is not going to have a side hem, so I just cut both. That is, it's going to only have the center hem. So I'm going to go ahead and notch my center front, and then I'm going to notch the side. The side is going to show that is our side dress. That is the side dress. So I have to notch the side so that I will know when I'm sewing. Are you guys following? If you want your own to have a side hem, you can go ahead and cut it out. The part that I notched, can go ahead and cut it out. So this is it. So right about now, I'm just going to go ahead and mark our sweetheart neckline. To get your sweetheart neckline, you're going to come down to 1 inch, and then you're going to go ahead and connect it to your center side. Okay, are you guys following? So this is it. And this is what it looks like. It's going to look like this. The side is going to be on our side, and then it's going to look like this when you wear it. And then the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and drape the triangular part. That is the flare part on one side of our center bust. That is from the center side to our sweetheart neckline. So we are going to start draping from the center side, that is from the center side like this, to our center front, which is our sweetheart neckline. Are you guys following? And make sure you drape everything till you get to your center front, just as seen in this video. And by the time you are done draping, you're going to have something like this when you're done sewing. So you're going to take the triangular part across your shoulder, and then you're going to have something like this. Okay, our own is not going to really fall because our fabric is short. Okay, I'm done sewing it. So the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and bias the neckline. So to bias it, I have a little pieces of fabric here which I'm going to use to bias it from the other end to the other end of our dress. So we need to put a strap to it. So I have this nylon, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the part that zip, this zip lock nylon. So I'm going to remove that part that zip, just as seen in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and trim it out with my scissor just to get the part that I want. So after I'm done, I'm going to place it on the center like this, and then I will go ahead and put my bias on top. That is the pieces we're going to use for the bias, and then I will bias it, and then after I'm done, it's going to be like this. And you guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to finish my bias. The next thing, I will open the tube. I will hem the hemline of the tube, and then I will stitch down the side by 1 inch, and then I'm going to bring it back. If you want to be very firm, you can put elastic to it on the top, and then on also the hemline, especially if you are using a straight cut, not a sweetheart neckline. So right about now, I'm going to go ahead and join the strap to the fabric. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just measure out 5 inches. I will trim out the other part, then I'll go ahead and wrap my strap on the main fabric like this, on the fabric like this. I will take it to my sewing machine to stitch it down. So at this point, if you want to add a flower to it, you can go ahead and attach your flower to it, and that is it. Your dress is finished and it is ready to wear. So you can see where my finger is, so that is where you're going to attach your flower on. So you guys, I'll just finish it and bring it back. So you guys, this is it. This is our beautiful trending top, a viral top on TikTok. So guys, this is what it looks like on my body. And please, if you love what you see and you want to order it for your business, for your brand, please go ahead and let me know. Bulk order, I am ready. So I am free to take a bulk order. If you are ready to wear vendor, reach out to me. And if you want to make any other dress, also let me know. So guys, this is what it looks like, and it's so beautiful, and it is very easy for my girly to wear and go out on that casual date. So guys, thank you for watching, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. Okay.